Google's V3 is powerful, but what I'm about to show you takes it to a completely different level. Right now, most people are playing with V3, creating one video at a time, testing prompts, waiting for renders, repeating the same boring process again and again. But I recently built an automation system that completely changes how V3 is used. With this setup, you can generate hundreds of AI videos in bulk with a single click. No manual uploading, no waiting for each render, and no burnout. Once you see this workflow, creating videos one by one will feel outdated. Almost everyone is experimenting with V3. Almost nobody is using it like this. So in this video, I'll show you how to mass-produce AI videos using Google's most advanced model, which niches work best for this system, and how to build a full YouTube automation channel around it. This is a complete AI automation masterclass. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll share the exact step-by-step roadmap. The tool we'll use is called Autoflow. Go to Google and search Autoflow Automation for V3. Open the first result. This is a browser extension, so let's set it up properly. Click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Once installed, pin it to your toolbar. This is the main Autoflow dashboard. Autoflow's job is simple. It automates the entire video creation process, prompts, rendering, and downloads, so you don't have to manually repeat the same tasks again and again. Instead of wasting hours creating videos individually, Autoflow lets you generate hundreds automatically. That's what makes it a game changer for bulk content creation. When you open Autoflow, you'll see an option called Flow. Flow is Google's official platform for the V3 video model. Click it and create an account. Once logged in, you'll see the V3 dashboard. V3 works on a credit system. Free plan, 100 credits, around 10 videos. Paid plan, customizable credits. I personally use 1,000 credits per month for bulk projects. Credits matter when scaling, so keep that in mind.
Now open Autoflow. Settings. Keep this tab open separately so the automation runs smoothly. You'll see two options: text to video, image to video. We'll use text to video. Now follow these settings. Videos per task, 1. Anything more wastes credits. Model, V2 Fast. 10 credits per video, perfect for bulk. You can also use V3.1 with audio if needed, but for silent clips, V2 Fast is enough. Aspect ratio, landscape for long videos. Duration, 5 to 10 seconds. Normally, people generate one video manually, wait hours, repeat. That kills automation. Autoflow fixes this completely. Turn on Auto Download. This automatically saves every completed video to your computer. No clicking, no waiting. Go to Controls. Paste all your prompts into the box. You can paste directly or upload a text file. Then click Add to Queue, Start. That's it. Autoflow now controls everything. Generating videos, tracking progress, downloading clips, organizing them into folders. Fully automatic. Now here's where things get serious. This workflow lets you start channels in AI documentaries, science explainers, educational animations, stick figure stories, animated storytelling channels. One storytelling channel gained over 115,000 subscribers with just 30 videos. That's the power of automation. You don't need years to monetize. With the right niche and consistency, you can do it in 30 days. Animated storytelling is beginner-friendly, evergreen, educational, high demand, and perfect for automation. Step 1. Get a story. Search on Google Kids Story PDF or Short Moral Story PDF. Choose a medium-length story, 10 to 20 minutes. Copy the story, paste the story into ChatGPT and ask, convert this story into detailed scene-by-scene prompts in cinematic 3D fairy tale animation style. Keep characters consistent. Generate prompts section by section if the story is long. Then ask, extract only the prompts in sequence. Copy all prompts, paste prompts into Autoflow. Click Add to Queue, Start. Scenes will generate automatically in correct order. Autoflow even saves them with serial numbers, perfect for editing later. Go to Google AI Studio. Open Text-to-Speech with Gemini. Select Single Speaker Mode. Paste the full story. Choose a voice. Then add style instructions. You can generate these using ChatGPT. Example, calm, cinematic, warm storyteller tone. Click Run. Download the voiceover. Use CapCut, Canva, or Clipchamp. Steps: import all clips, import voiceover, place voice on the timeline, arrange scenes in order, trim extras, add smooth fade transitions, generate auto captions, add black and white subtitle style, crop slightly or add a sticker to hide the logo. Done. Now you have a professional animated story video.
James, his sister Sally, and Mark, their best friend forever, were bored. They had played all day, but now that...
This is what V3 becomes when you stop experimenting and start scaling. With this workflow, you can create 1 month of content in 20 minutes. Upload consistently and turn this into a long-term automated income stream. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. Like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who wants to start YouTube automation. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your channel.